Hey everyone! Today I'll explain how to get the Omen rewards in Roblox Arcane Odyssey, including the Omen Slayer title and the Abyssal armor. First, you need to understand that the Omen does not spawn in the normal sea. It only appears deep in the dark sea, specifically in the far reaches, which already makes this challenge extremely dangerous before the fight even begins. Once you reach the far reaches, the Omen can randomly spawn as you sail. It's a massive Abyssal-tier kraken with around 180,000 health and hits for roughly 1,000 damage per attack, meaning solo players are not meant to fight it directly. The safest solo method is terrain abuse. Find a high-elevation island like Siren Rocks, stay out of its main attack range, and constantly attack the tentacles. This method takes a long time and relies heavily on luck, patience, and positioning. If you manage to defeat the Omen, you'll instantly earn the Omen Slayer title and receive one guaranteed piece of Abyssal armor with extremely high defense but negative power. The best way to farm it is with a coordinated group, strong ship upgrades, high defense builds, and escape plans ready. Remember, reaching the Omen is already a challenge, but surviving long enough to kill it is what makes this one of the hardest achievements in Arcane Odyssey.